In the end of May recently, the Malaysia International Cocoa Fair for the year 2025 was held in the Kota Kinabalu City, West Malaysia, Borneo Island. There were many interesting events or programs conducted during this fair. For example, there was competition for professional chocolate sculpture. There was also talk or lectures in this hall for the public to learn about growing cocoa, like its fertilization management and others. There were also many booths from companies that sell products made from chocolate ingredients like biscuits and confectionaries. We visited this cocoa fair for 2 days, on the first day and the last day. One of the fun booths to visit will be from the Nestle KitKat booth. The Nestle KitKat was trying to promote their latest products which use locally 100% chocolate from Borneo Island. So KitKat was giving free samples of ice cream, chocolates and drinks. We also got some baking chocolates from Barrel's brand, and there's also product which is not in sale in Sabah yet, like the instant cookie mix. It's also fun and interesting to learn about new research development in cocoa industry that is not just limited to food and beverages. It is also now used in cosmetics, and also the cocoa leaves can be used as tea for health benefits. We know that cocoa cultivation starts from South America. It is not native to Southeast Asia, but currently it is also widely grown in Sabah state of Malaysia. In Malaysia, Sabah state is the biggest producer of cocoa. Sabah state can produce high-grade quality of cocoa. So these are some examples of cocoa varieties that is grown in Malaysia. Currently, the Sabah government is promoting and supporting farmers to grow cocoa. These are annual production costs and profits for low estimate and high estimate in growing cocoa. Generally, the cocoa farmers will sell dried cocoa beans to certain cocoa agency collectors. This chart shows how the dried cocoa beans are processed from when collected its ripe fruits. We also had fun participating in the cocoa quiz. Ilhan got number 1 while Mama got number 2. On our first visit at this booth by Rocheville by Angkasa, I saw there are few seedlings on display. So I asked the kind lady whether I can purchase this cocoa seedling. After a quick negotiation, the kind lady said that she can allow it, but can we pick it on the last day of the fair so that they can still have some to display.
Nanti collect biji 1 kilo kau dia RM35 kalau kau rajin.
At the end of May, it was Ilhan's 18th happy birthday. After we ate our dinner at Mashawi restaurant, then we ate birthday cake together.